Marta cooks pasta for dinner. She boils water in a pot and adds the pasta. Then, she cuts tomatoes and cheese. When the pasta is ready, she mixes everything on a plate. At the end, she sits down to eat and enjoys her meal. Marta decides to cook at home instead of ordering food. She boils water and adds salt before cooking the pasta. Meanwhile, she prepares a sauce with tomatoes, garlic, and basil. When finished, she sprinkles grated cheese on top. She sits down to dinner and is satisfied with her homemade dish. Marta enjoys preparing homemade meals. Today, she has decided to make pasta with tomato sauce. First, she sautés garlic and onion in olive oil. Then, she adds crushed tomatoes and lets the sauce simmer. Meanwhile, she cooks the pasta al dente. When serving, she garnishes with fresh basil and Parmesan cheese. She feels proud of her recipe. Cooking at home is one of Marta's passions. She enjoys experimenting with new ingredients and improving her recipes. Today, she prepares fresh pasta from scratch, kneading the dough with flour and eggs. Then, she cooks a tomato sauce with spices and a touch of red wine. Before serving, she tastes the sauce and adjusts the seasoning. As she enjoys her meal, she reflects on how cooking allows her to be creative and relax. For Marta, cooking is not just a necessity, but a form of expression. She is passionate about creating balanced dishes, combining flavors and textures. Today, she experiments with homemade pasta, adjusting the dough's hydration to achieve the perfect texture. Additionally, she infuses her sauce with fresh herbs to enhance the aroma. As she cooks, she realizes that gastronomy is a blend of science and art, where every detail influences the final result. Marta approaches cooking with an almost philosophical mindset, analyzing how each ingredient contributes to the harmony of the dish. She reflects on the evolution of gastronomy and how culinary traditions shape cultural identity. Today, she prepares a dish inspired by classic Italian cuisine, adjusting the balance between acidity and sweetness in her tomato sauce. As she tastes her creation, she appreciates how food can tell stories and evoke emotions.